Hi everyone! Welcome to the second part of the Afghan necklace making video. Hope you liked the first part. For the necklace I used 8N Jasper gemstones, 5N pearl beads, 20 gauge silver coated copper wire and my regular wire wrapping tools. So let's enjoy the video and try it by yourself. You can make bracelets or necklaces using this method, so don't skip. Watch the full video. It's going to be nice. Always think positive and be creative. Have a nice day. Thank you.